Back here with a look at OM or OM. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I don't cover this a whole lot, but I was charting this and taking a look at this thing, and it's looking pretty good. Looking very, very good. All right, question is, if we come out here on a weekly and take a look at this thing, there's one of two things going on here, right? Pull this up a little bit. Number one is either we got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and now we're doing an ABC, or we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and we're doing a fifth wave up right now. All right, that's the question right now, is where are we at here with this move? Okay, the typical third wave. It's right in that zone, 50%, 382. That's normal for a wave 3 pullback. Normally a 50% for a wave 2 down here, and that's measuring out pretty decent. So my bet is it's more likely probably coming up for an ABC here, but you know, your ABC is going to pull it up here pretty decent, right? You're getting a breakout right now of this yellow overhead resistance line. It's broken out. It's retested. Right here you can see the breakout, the retest on the trend line, and pushing to the upside. Now this should push up, not financial advice, not a financial advisor. All this could go to zero. You never know, right? 791 to 820-ish, right around in there, is your 618702. I just put this out to the members. If you want to join our Discord and come trade with us, sign up for a level 3 membership, and also sign up for Weeks. There's a description on the link of the video. That's the site we use to leverage trade. Even if you don't sign up for a membership, go sign up for Weeks. If you leverage trade, you will love it. I use it every single day. They have a bunch of sign up bonuses. Please use the link in the description. Definitely helps the channel out. I would appreciate that so very much. And come check us out, guys. We have 175 members in our trading group, so we would love to have you for 15 bucks. All right, that also gets you 10 hours of videos to teach how to start charting like this and looking for price targets, using all the tools over here to the left, how to set up your trading view, everything. Over 10 hours, over 20 videos. All right, now you can see this daily starting to bounce here. Okay, this has gotten a perfect, looks like a wave 2 pullback, 50%. Yeah, 3 to 50%. It's looking pretty strong, quite honestly. And what you're going to more than likely see out of here, you know, is like a 1, 2, a third wave, 4, and a 5. Okay. And if that's how it happens, if we get rejected up here over in Discord, we'll wait for it to get up. Well, we'll long it up to here. If it gets rejected, then we'll short it back down. You know, if it gets rejected and it ABCs, it's going to pull back down to about 488, and this would be a pretty massive move, right? On leverage, that you're talking, yeah, it's a 40% move. On a 20x leverage, you'd 8x your money. 8x your money. On $1,000, you could potentially turn it into 8,000 on a move like that. So that's where the money's at. Leverage trading. We have an alt season coming up, guys. We are getting ready for it, and we're gonna smash it over there in Discord. I can't wait. As soon as this Bitcoin dominance rolls over, we are going to hit some major home runs for $15 a month. I mean, come on. I mean, that's we have some really great traders over there. Speaking of Discord, there's pulling up there. Right now we're in a Caspa short right now, right over here. Let me show it to you. Over in Discord, right here. Okay, what this is doing is 5 waves down, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right down to target, down 0.075. That's where I'm taking profit. This thing's been playing out perfect. We got in somewhere up here. All right, so looking to I'll double my money on this move to here, right down through here. And I took it out on both sites. I used weeks right here, and I took it out on Bitfinex. I took the same trade out on both sites here. But weeks, I love it. Absolutely love it. Like I said, if you don't sign up for the Discord, at least sign up for weeks. I think you'll really enjoy it. They got a lot of great stuff. They have a spin to win wheel every day where you can spin to win prizes, 100% win rate. You can win 1 USDT, 10 USDT, 0.01 Bitcoin, 2,100 XRP, 10 USDT. It's numerous. There's all kinds of. It's 100% win rate. The least you can win is $1 USDT in there. So yeah, I love it. It's pretty awesome. You can see here on the 1 hour, this thing is about ready to roll over. The 1 hour RSI is starting to roll over on this thing, this Caspa trade. But back over here on OM, all right, now like I said, be looking for a push up here. And if it breaks through there, all right, say this is a fifth wave up, you'll be looking up towards 11.26 next. So if it gets through the $8.50, all right, if it gets through there, 11.26 would be your next target. All right, if it gets rejected here at 8.20, 8.20, 8.21, it could wick up in here, 8.22, 8.30, whatever. The closing candles are what matters. If it gets rejected in ABCs, then it's going to have a pretty decent pull down. Your daily RSI, looking a little weak, right? But this thing should turn back up. Your 12-hour, look bullish, heading to the upside. 8-hour looks good. Nice big green 8-hour candle right here. Your 4-hour looks good, bullish, right? So keep your eye on OM or OM, however you pronounce it. Like I said, did get the breakout here of this like a wedge type formation here. Bottom support down through here and overhead resistance, breakout. Okay, the measured move. Let's take a look at the measured move of this. Well, because quite honestly, you could be up, it could have been up in here. That's probably where it was, right? That makes more sense right there. Yeah, probably right there. If you take a measurement, it will be, we're not going to get hoggish here with our measurement, but, we'll see, right? I mean, that puts us in the middle, right? But maybe we even had a fallen wedge on this thing. Maybe it was out. Either way, we have a breakout. Okay, it broke resistance here, 100%. Might have been a fallen wedge. Could have been a fallen wedge in here also. That measured move would put it up into here. I just don't see it. I think we did the 5 waves, quite honestly, but we'll see. We'll see how it plays out, all right? So keep your eye on this thing, looking good. Have a great day, guys. Please hit that like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I'll be back with you soon.